Video title: How to delete a portfolio on CoinMarketCap. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a portfolio on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're cleaning up your digital assets or simply want to manage your financial records more effectively, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy and straightforward. Let's dive in. First, make your way over to CoinMarketCap. You'll need to ensure you're logged into your account so that you have access to all of your features. Once you're logged in successfully, navigate to the top right corner of the homepage. There you should see a portfolio button sitting right next to the watch list option. What you'll want to do next is click on that portfolio button. This action will bring up a list of all your saved portfolios, providing you with a clear view of your current financial holdings. Now, you'll need to select the specific portfolio that you're looking to delete. Browse through your list and identify the portfolio you no longer need. Once you've found it, you'll notice a settings area you can access for further options. To proceed into the settings, observe the top right of the portfolio page. Here, you'll either spot a three-dot menu, often represented by three vertical dots, or a settings or gear icon. By clicking on this, you'll open up a range of options that allow you to manage your portfolio settings in more detail. Within this menu, you should find an option labeled Remove or something similar. Clicking this will initiate the deletion process. However, unlike a simple click and it's done, there is a safeguard to ensure you don't accidentally delete your important data. Before the portfolio is permanently deleted, you'll be prompted to confirm the deletion. A confirmation message will appear, and it will generally ask if you're absolutely sure you want to proceed with removing this portfolio from your list. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct portfolio, as once you confirm, the action cannot be undone. Once you've confirmed, the portfolio will be deleted, leaving your list a bit less cluttered. That's all there is to it. And there you have it. A complete guide to deleting a portfolio on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're tidying up or managing your investments with more accuracy, knowing how to efficiently remove unnecessary portfolios can be invaluable. Thank you for watching, and I trust you found this tutorial useful. For more tips and guides on managing your digital assets, make sure you subscribe to our channel. See you next time.